GM Tabijian. How to apply TabiPay card. Watching the video. Open TabiPay app and click deposit and copy the address and check BIP20 address. Click and copy BIP20 address. Use USDT and go to your favorite exchange and withdraw USDT. Withdraw now USDT. On chain select and click USDT. Must select USDT BNB chain, smart BNB chain, and send withdrawal address and use your amount and click withdraw and on chain select confirm and withdrawal order submitted. Wait for 5 minutes and check your exchange and complete USDT withdrawal and go to TabiPay app and refresh your address. Now apply the card. Free card. Now next and submit your information and complete TabiPay free card. Apply and like, comment, share.